Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truth Be Told with Tara. And my cat keeps messing with my ring thing, and it keeps flipping my phone. Okay, so I'm going to try to get through this quickly. I got the bigger, better everything box, I think is what it is called, from the mystery gift shop. I got a really good deal on it. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. So this is from BarkBox, and I have so been wanting to talk to you guys about BarkBox because the toys that are in it are amazing. I think that it's really cool that they sent this, because at first I thought it was just a toy, but then I was like, oh, it's from BarkBox. And my dog, he's a big dog, and any toy that we've ever got for him, quit, babe, quit. He tears it up. But these BarkBox toys are absolutely amazing. And he's, well, okay, maybe the cat will play with it. And here, there, get it. Okay, so that's the only thing that I've seen out of this box. Everything else is a surprise. Okay, so I got some Philips wireless headphones. Cool. I got an AT&T tempered glass screen protector, and I need a screen protector, so that's so cool. But it's for an iPhone. So, my daughter has an iPhone. Okay. This is an M310 Logitech mouse. Might be able to use this, I don't know, on my laptop. I don't know. Okay. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Sarah. It is very heavy. AG46P. What is this? What? I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's see. Sarah. I have no idea what it is. Questions, visit samsarah.com for support. So I don't know. I have to find out what this is. I have no unearthly clue. Okay. I don't know whether to be happy or sad about that because it looks odd. Okay. What the heck is this? What the heck? What is that? Oh, okay, wait. Okay, well, that's a first. Okay. Little sports bra, that's cute. That is really cute. That is from Fashion Nova. So cool. I bet that's probably where the panties are from also. No, polling. Okay. Okay. This is by far one of the wildest boxes that I have ever got from them. Okay. Here's a belt. Oh, it's Under Armour. I love Under Armour. I have a really awesome Adidas belt that I love, like it clasps instead of that kind of belt. But Under Armour is pretty good. So, also that was a full outfit. I mean, yeah, that matches. So, I don't know why you would wear a skirt and that together. Like, that seems like workout gear. That seems like, I don't know. I'm kind of lost right now. So what is this? What the heck is it? Okay. More panties? Wow. Okay. What is happening? Oh, that's cute. My daughter might like... I don't know. This is one of the wilder things that I have ever... That is horrific. No. I thought for 2 seconds, is that supposed to be sunglasses or boobies? Like, I'm thoroughly confused. That is another thing from Fashion Nova, though. I don't know if that's just how it came out. Like, it's supposed to be like some kind of tie-dye. That looks crazy, though. What a wild box. I can't wait to find out what this Sam Sarah thing is. If anybody in the comments knows what this is, please let me know. It has like where you can bolt it to the wall. So it's very heavy. Is it like a... I don't know if it would... I don't know. I don't know. And they don't send you anything like all of your other boxes. Like, they send you kind of a list of what... And these boxes, they just throw stuff in. And I've got more clothes in this one. The last time I got a Michael Kors watch. And before that, I got a Michael Kors wallet. So I'm a little let down. I didn't get any cool jewelry. The cat is already messing with this. Yeah, that will never be worn. I mean, that's kind of cool workout stuff. I don't know. This is, God, it says that's 45 bucks. AT&T. But it says new iPhone 6.7 2023 tempered glass screen protector. Antimicrobials. So, I don't know. I know I got my daughter's phone from AT&T, and it is Apple iPhone. I don't know. So the earbuds are cool. I keep saying that I'm gonna wear earbuds, but I never do. All right, so that is it for this very wild, interesting box from the mystery gift shop. It's always a fun box. Like, no matter what, it's fun, it's different, and yeah. So I'm gonna shut up now. I will see you guys in the next, and again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.